everyone, this is Zippered here. 7-Star Mike asked me to do a watch list video. So I got 6 tickers that I kind of like for this upcoming week. Sorry, I got my groceries delivered, so my dog and kid is making some convenient noises in the background. All right, so first ticker I have here is IBM. I actually got into some cheap calls on this one, which was at 117.23. Ended up hitting 117.36. So the resistance area I'm looking on this one is 121. And remember, always sell before resistance area because everybody sees the same chart that you're seeing. So everybody's going to try selling at the resistance area. And I've known that I get better gains if I sell right before it. And you ain't got to worry about it dipping and then the bids dropping and yada, yada, yada. So always sell on the way up. So 121 is the first area of resistance, and then the next one I would say is around 125. But IBM's a little slow, so 121 would be my area. Now let's see, is this a good bounce or is this like a longer swing? All right, so daily is looks like it's just reversing. So this one I would just say this would be a bounce play. And then sell it to resistance and move on to the next one. Next ticker, we got ISRG. If you play this one right, you can make some money on this one, but the spreads were pretty bad on Friday, so I didn't get into it. But I was looking at 744 for the support and ended up hitting 743 after hours. So the levels of resistance that I'm looking at here is 760, then 775, and then 779. Looking, shorter time frame. So I would say around 775 would probably be my area to sell. But let's take a look on daily to see which one would probably be best. Looking on daily here. I'm not liking the daily MACD because it's about to go into the red. So for me, when I see that, I like better setups. So for me, I would do a bounce play of 744 to 758. Sell before the resistance area. Next, we've got O'Reilly. Let's see here. Whoops, if I can type it correctly. All right, so here on our support, we've got 445 and 436. So here, sometimes I'll market green, so I remind myself like, hey, buy at this area. Don't, hesitate. And then O'Reilly, what did it end up tapping? Okay, so it hasn't hit there yet. So you're looking for 445 for a bounce play and, maybe 441. So I'm sorry, 431 or 436 would probably be the better plays, but still 436 might be it. Let's look at daily to see what we're looking at here. This one, it might have like that sharp MACD going back up the next day. So I would definitely look at those two areas, and the levels of support that you want to look at is I'd say around 459 and 467. But if it breaks those areas, then it could go back up to 496. But you want that daily reverse MACD to go with the setup. So of course, you always play bounce plays with daily's not looking so great, but if daily's looking better, then you hold it a little bit longer. Next one we've got here is WYNN. Let me go back over here real quick. All right, what we got? We have, where's my support? All right, 103. And then, that's all right. Well, now I guess back here in January, it started getting a support around this area. Let me see. What's the other one there? Whoops, wrong one. Give me 1 second here. So it started basing support around 105, but still, I'd say 103 and 99 would be a good support for WYNN. And then let's look at this resistance. So resistance, you're looking at about 110 and around 113. All right, now let's check out daily. Are we doing this a bounce play? Or are we holding this a little longer? I see this one dipping more, so I'd wait for it to set up. So let it dip some more because I don't like the way the MACD looks. You see that little curve right there? It's going to go, let me see if I can draw that. Let's see here. I'm so used to doing the regular line. Let's see if I can draw it. All right. Well, I don't know how to draw squiggly lines on here, but it looks like it's going to go in here and then down and then curl up. So this one, bounce play to 103 to 99. Next we have BA. All right, first I'm gonna look at daily. BA daily, kind of looks flat. Could go red a little bit more. It could go up, but whoops. For this one, I would say a bounce play. Around 201 area, it seems to be tapping, and then around 212, 215 is the resistance area. 201, 212, 215. So if you do catch it around 201, don't be greedy because BA, you know, BA can take off and it can fall like right out of the sky, right back down to support. So I'd say probably like 211, 210 if you catch it around here to sell. And then the last one we have is, oh my gosh, sorry, I'm just all over the place. It's been a long weekend. Samuel Adams, Boston Lager. All right, first let me check out daily. Oh, all right, I think chicken. Or wait, winner, chicken dinner. So this daily is looking pretty darn good. I kind of like this little daily right here. Let me check out here 4 hour. I'm gonna check this out for a second. Let's see. That's weekly. And I like when weekly has already been red. Most people are scared by this. But when the weekly is already reversed down, that's actually a good because that means people saying, oh, it already reversed, whatever. So let me check out my other things here. 1 hour's look good. 4 hour, that's curled back up. All right, 12 hours. Let me just check this out for a quick second. I'm gonna tick here. All right, so I'm thinking BA is longer than a bounce play. I kind of like this one a lot. Yes, I like this one. All right, let me go back to what I was explaining. So for this one, 897 was the support area. And then what I have here, resistance, is around 935. 935 for the first one. That's probably going to tap. And then 950 is the next one. 964, 972, 986, and 1000. That sounded like a really bad Powerball drawing. But anyways, yeah. So this one I kind of like the best. And if I were to say like, okay, well, if you were swinging it, where would you get out? And for me, honestly, if I was in this, I would say probably around the 972 area. Yeah, I'd say around like 972 area. But it, back up to 1,000 is very possible because if you see around 1,000, that's a whole number. Rounding up, people see whole numbers. People like to sell, or even half numbers. That's another strategy people don't realize. So yeah, I think Samuel Adams is probably going to be the good one for the week that I think I might kind of trade, get in and out. And I think that is pretty much about it. So everybody have a fabulous Sunday evening. And another thing too, it's like RSI is pinging here about to turn red, which means people are buying it up. So anywho, have a great Sunday evening and good luck trading Monday. Bye-bye.